Alright, we gotta figure out what we're doing. What's this?
You push that, it's like the nuclear codes.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, never mind.
It's like a
It's just
zip line.
a switch. Oh, sweet. I go first.
Oh, I picked up handgun bullets.
Grab onto
Alright.
my waist. I'll turn off the fire. That's complicated buttons. Hold on.
Oh, wait, so... Wait, can you open that door?
Holy shit, look how fast I'm turning it. Oh my god, I'm buff.
Fuck, I'm going.
No, I
that's
turned it
just
off.
one.
Oh shit.
Okay, I thought there was
Okay.
like a timer or something.
How do I get back?
You can't open the door? The gate's right there.
Oh. Oh yeah. That's why you're my partner.
Did you not know where you were at? Oh,
No.
it's Chainsaw Man!
No! No! Help!
I got a grenade. Or I can snipe him.
He closed the door on himself.
There, he's stunned.
Okay, I'm running.
Oh, not anymore. There, he's stunned.
Thank you. I don't know why this door animation is so slow. Yeah. I'm running past him.
Alright, I'm gonna stun him again. Oh, I missed. He's not stunned.
My... Oh, okay.
Just letting you know. Oh, let
My
me
stun
turn
gun
this.
didn't work. He's going to you. He's going to you.
Save me!
Where are you?
I'm right there. I'm scared. Where is he?
I don't know. I lost him. Yeah, I lost him. I'm scared. Oh god, I got hit in the back of the neck.
Oh, I got sniped.
I'm trying to get height.
Ouch, bitch.
I'm
Something the same over here.
Hey, you see me? He's up next to you. Holy
Next to me?
shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I turned the long way. I panicked.
The Magnum is fucking him up.
Nice, nice.
I gotta reload.
There's a lot of handgun ammo down here.
Okay. I have like 50 on me right now.
Oh, he's going
stunned.
for you, I
He's
think?
stunned.
I'll punch him.
Nice. Yeah, I'll stun him again. Get ready to punch him.
Oh, that didn't stun him. Oh, he's not getting stunned. He's not getting stunned. I'm just running. Wait, did...
He's dead. He's dead.
All right.
Magnum OP.
Oh, look at this, Joel.
Is that like a spring?
I think it was like a necklace. It was like a snake.
Oh. Holy shit, that was wild.
Hold on, how do I give you this shit?
I'm out of breath.
Oh, I was
Sorry.
giving you that.
Go.
Oh,
What did
that
you
was the
give
wrong
me?
thing. That was the wrong thing.
No.
There. Now I'll give you the
Hold
right
on,
thing.
let me give it back. Let me give it back. Let me give it back.
Let me cure us.
That cures both of us?
Yeah, if we're close.
Look at that guy.
Oh shit.
Fuck. I think
No
we're good.
problem.
I think that's everyone. You
Yeah,
didn't
the
turn it
music
off,
stopped.
by the way.
No, that what I did was where you went just now, I opened that path. Cause there was flames right here.
Wait, so I
So
could have been
did-
doing something up there?
Yeah, it was a switch right here.
Oh. I thought that was a switch for the... Oh, wait, yeah, for that. I am very lost, dude.
It's just a giant square.
Well, the squares, all the sides look the same.
I mean, I don't know. I kind of disagree with that. Oh no! There's another guy.
What the
Another chainsaw.
bro? Do I have time?
Probably yes. Yeah, he's just running down here.
I got it.
Can I kill him? Oh, okay.
Oh,
I'm
he's on
coming.
me! He's on me!
Yeah, I,
had to
can't
ditch.
jump up there.
Yeah, I had to ditch
Nice,
ammo.
nice.
I have 2 shots in
I
the
have a
Magnum. Should I
grenade.
save him?
I think we should kill him. He gives us
Okay.
treasure. Oh, you're using the Magnum?
Yeah.
Alright, I want to throw this at him. I'll throw another one. Another one.
Stun him!
Did he cut your head off?
Yeah. I thought he would get stunned.
Fuck.
Editor, cut that out.
First try?
First try.
Oh shit.
How far back?
I think it's a checkpoint, so
Okay.
we're actually pretty good.
Well, this is still on fire over here. I don't remember what we did. I don't even know what we did, honestly.
So there's two things that we have to stop with the... Ouch! I got sniped. Yeah, it's just the second one that we gotta do again.
Okay.
Oh, this guy's right in my face. So let's just... I mean, we can just...
So the first chainsaw guy is dead already, or what?
Yeah.
Don't be alarmed. I might die again.
Where are you?
I'm trapped.
You have the Magnum.
I'm where the... Oh my god. Their heads are popping off, but they're not dying.
Oh, man, I'm getting sniped.
I gotta use a Magnum.
Use a heal.
I'm panicking. I'm panicking.
I shot the other guy that was with you. You should be good.
Got it. I got a
Oh,
memo.
there you are.
Slicer's down there.
This guy with dynamite is just walking up the stairs.
Let me know if you see handgun ammo. I have 5 shots.
Oh shoot! It doesn't save our thing.
No.
I'm just gonna use zipline. I don't know why I was. There's no
waiting for
need
me.
to wait. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna open it. We're gonna.
You gotta do it fast because he climbs up.
All right, I got the ammo.
Okay. There was a proximity mine too. Oh shit, he's on me. Never mind. Oh, he's going up to you now.
Okay. I got it.
Oh shit. He went up.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I can't jump from this side.
No, you can't. There's a mine right there.
Okay.
Oh, I placed it for him.
Oh shit.
That's what I meant.
Okay, I placed it.
Okay.
Well,
Get some distance.
Just in case.
Okay.
All right.
I got distance.
Let's just go. Oh yeah, we have to shoot it, right?
Oh god. I guess
Did it
not.
work?
He's hurting, but should we just run?
Yeah. I mean, well, we can get ammo. Damn, it blew both of them up.
Shotgun ammo behind you?
Oh my god, I was stuck.
I'm running because I have like 10 shots.
Yeah, let's just get out of here. It's not worth it.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh no.
Shotgun.
No.
Shotgun. Ah!
I gotta shotgun these guys.
Oh god. Ah! I'm getting hit.
Go. Just
Okay.
run.
I'm running. Ugh. Oh, he's right behind me.
Jump down. Just come on.
Where? Where? I can't.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my god.
It wasn't
You're
letting
right
me.
there.
It's so hard to lock on.
Fuck, dude. Again.
All right, this time speedrun.
All right, speedrun.
Let's get out of here, man.
That down right there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he walks over it.
I went
okay.
the wrong way. Don't follow me.
Oh no, don't say that. We have to go back to him.
Yeah, this way. Oh, I'm stuck. He's just pushing me. I'm gonna die. You're not gonna believe it. I survived.
I see you. Hold on, let me use this. Oh, just run.
Okay.
He's chasing me.
Okay. Rifle ammo right there.
Thanks.
I'm gonna run with my stun gun out, or my stun baton.
Yeah. I want to
They
kill
are.
us.
Holy shit.
I don't know what that was, but it fucked them up too.
Oh, sorry.
You stunned me!
Sorry.
We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go!
I need this ammo. Okay, V. It's V. It's V. It's V. It's V. Let me do it first, because you can lock on easier.
Alright. Lock on?
Dude, I can't find it.
Wait, I don't have a handgun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm trying to see their tattoo. I think it's an aim.
Oh.
Looks like it said Viagra.
Oh, no, is that Harley Quinn? No, it's not.
Hey.
Josh,
Is that the guy who got eaten by the alligator?
you're alive.
I don't know.
Are you okay? What? How did you get here?
We were at the port when we were attacked. And then, well, I ended up here. Where's the rest of the team?
We are the rest of the team.
Shit!
It's just the three of us now.
Why did you not retreat?
He got mauled.
We are no match for them.
I've got unfinished business.
My God, look at his arms.
The data on the BAW experiment had a picture inside. The picture was of Chris's friend.
A friend?
It's fucking ridiculous.
He's like
Till I catch
Popeye.
Irving and find out what the hell's going on here.
Whoa.
Let's save the chit-chat for later.
Alright, we got a third. Oh, I guess this isn't gameplay. Come on, Josh. Slacking. There you go.
Dude, again, he shot at me. Protocol. Protocol.
Hurry!
Do you realize that was the same hurry voice line as when we're playing?
Oh, shit. Watch behind you.
Oh. There's something behind me.
Uppercut. Oh, I didn't need to do that. We gotta protect Josh.
Hey, there's a herb. I got it. I got him. Don't worry about it.
Alright. Nice. Hand grenade. I have a feeling we're gonna be facing some chainsaws. Maybe. I don't know.
Those guys are the scariest.
They're tanks.
Yeah.
Well, no shit.
I just had more magnum arrow. I mean, ammo.
Yeah.
They can't climb in. Dude, this is like Nazi zombies.
Can we board up the windows?
I mean, I'm just knifing at the window. They can't come in. But they are dying out there, and that means I can't get ammo. Maybe I should let them
Oh,
come in.
yeah, you gotta let them come in.
Oh, this is... Ooh.
Oh, shit! That saved me!
Really? It killed him in one shot? Oh, Josh! I'm sorry.
Oh,
Josh!
did you shock him? No, Josh.
It's a tank!
The fat guy! That's Shaq.
Dude, the stun
There's
gun
another
is
one!
great. Oh. He's done. He's done.
Oh, no. He's sacrificing himself.
Abandon him.
Oh, he got in.
You got it, dude.
You got it, Josh.
That's what I've been saying.
Oh, shit. I can't believe I dodged that.
I can't figure out whether
What's
this thing
Josh?
is OP or not.
Get out of the way!
Oh, God.
It's in my face. Oh, he got my back.
I'm getting messed up, man.
Let's go. Oh, I shot the railing.
Oh, damn
my
it.
God. I should have just left him.
If I can hit them once, they do die, but it's hard to get close to them. I have to use a first aid. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I sprayed Josh. I think I did spray Josh.
Yeah, you heal everyone around you. Another one?
Where?
Come on,
Where you at?
Josh.
Where you at? Where you at?
Get yourself together. No, he's got to do another computer.
Oh. It's alright. I got
He's
grenades.
got to type in password.
What is he doing?
I'll see what I can do.
He's not even looking at the screen. He's just looking
You
at
have
the
no
keyboard.
choice. Oh, there's a chainsaw man.
Oh shit.
You have a grenade?
I do. I think we have to go up top. They can only come from up top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually mowing them down right here.
Alright, you do that.
Oh, those guys fucking just jump for it. Oh shit, I missed. Are you
Chainsaw
good?
guy's here.
Alright, I'm gonna equip a grenade.
Okay. I might be kind of fucked.
There,
Oh, shit.
fuck them.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm throwing another one.
Should I go back up?
Oh, I think I fucked up Josh.
Wait, I'm in the middle of the climb animation. I went
saw
up just to kick him, and I'm going back down. Let's get out of here, man.
Oh, I gave you the grenade. I didn't mean to do that.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Josh was the MVP right there.
I'm okay.
You got us out.
It looks like Irving is trying to blow up the place and make his escape. You must stop him before it is too late. I'll try to find us a way out of here.
All right. We'll go after Irving.
Good. Okay. Now there's a dock up ahead. That is probably where he's going to make his break.
Copy that. And Josh! Be careful.
Let's hurry.
It's like, what was that supposed to mean?
See those sweat physics?
Why would you do that?
Satisfying. What's in here? Oh, some crates. Handgun ammo and handgun ammo.
Come on!
Dude, 30
Oh,
shots
that
to
was-
a clip on the handgun is ridiculous.
That was the other side. When
On
we were
the other
Nazi
side.
zombies.
Come on!
Down, mama, down. May the ground was my greater.
Alright, what's going on here? Oh, what's
Some
going
rifle
on?
ammo over here.
Wait, okay, the boat's
That's a
over
beautiful
there.
view.
What was the point of this room?
The boat's over there, but we're over here. What do we
There's
do?
another boat. Saw from the inside.
Oh, we each get a boat.
No way. Hydro Thunder?
Hydro Thunder.